Good morning, students. See, this is the 10th class and the 5th chapter, Indian rivers and water resources. Yes, in a previous class we have learned major rivers in India can be divided into two. First is the Himalayan river and the second the rivers of Indian plateau. Okay, and Ganga, river Brahmaputra, river Indus. These are not only just rivers but also river system. And the first river system we are going to talk about is river Ganga. Okay, look at the slide over here and you can see the points. You can write it down in your notebooks by watching this. See, the first point which is about river Ganga is it is very important and longest river. And river Ganga is about 2525 kilometers long. And river Ganga flows from Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. River Ganga is not only a river, it is most sacred river to Hindus. Do we all pray river Ganga or not? Yes. River Ganga originates from Gangotri at Gomukh and its headwater is Bhagirathi. River Ganga joins Alaknanda at Devaprayag. Devaprayag is a tributary at Uttarakhand. River Ganga rivers joining the Ganga from north are Ramganga, Gomati, Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi. Okay, and river Ghagra is the largest tributary of Ganga. So these are the few points about river Ganga. And I would like to say about river Yamuna. Yamuna is the second largest tributary of Ganga and it originates at Yamunotri and joins Ganga at Allahabad. Longest river which directly does not flow into the sea, and this is one of it, that is Yamuna, river Yamuna. Okay? Yes, you can watch a few pictures after this slide. Now we will talk about peninsular rivers, Indian peninsular rivers. I already told you what you mean by peninsular rivers. There will not be no continuous flow and it's having some seasonal impact, and in summer it will be having a less water due to dry condition. And here you can watch in this picture of India, physical India map. You can watch Narmada river, Tapi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, even Mahanadi. These are the Indian peninsular rivers. Yes, one of the river of Indian peninsular is Narmada. You can watch in the physical map of India here about Narmada river, and it arises from the Amarkantak hills and it is the fifth longest river in the Indian subcontinent. Narmada, also known as lifeline of Madhya Pradesh, and Narmada is older than Ganges, that is river Ganga. Now we will talk about the another river, Indian peninsular river is Godavari, which is very familiar to our Telangana people as well as Andhra Pradesh. And here river Godavari, it starts from Dakshina Ganga. It is also called as Dakshin Ganga and it is the second largest river in India after river Ganges, that is river Ganga. And it starts in Maharashtra and flows for 1.456 kilometers into the Bay of Bengal via the states Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The major tributaries of Ganga are Pravara, Indravati, Manjira river, Bindusara river and Sabri river. And here you can watch in this picture, Triambakeshwar is one of the originating point of Godavari which flows from Nasik. Okay, Paithan, Nanded, Basar, Bhadrachalam. Everyone know about Basar, that is Basra in Telugu. Okay, Bhadrachalam. So it is called as Godavari is called as Dakshina Ganga of India. Now River Krishna. River Krishna is also very familiar to everyone. River Krishna, the third longest river in central southern India, is almost about, that is 1400 kilometers long. And River Krishna drains from Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. The largest tributary of Krishna river is about Tungabhadra, but the longest tributary is at Bhima. Okay, and there are 4 rivers that join Krishna at confluence known as Preeti Sangam, or it is also called as Lovers Meeting Point at Satara district. These are Venna River, Urmodi River, Tarli River and Koyna River. Now River Kaveri. In a physical map you can watch, see, River Kaveri rises in Brahmagiri range of Western Ghats and it reaches the Bay of Bengal in south of Kadalur in Tamil Nadu. Okay, and here it flows from Srirangapatnam, Bhimeshwari, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur and Hongakal, Talakaveri. River Kaveri, its total length of river is 760 kilometers and its main tributaries are Amaravati, Bhavani, Hemavati and Kabini. It basins drains parts of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And now River Mahanadi, that is flows from West Bengal. Mahanadi is a major river in east central India and it drains all over around the area of about 141, that is 140,600 square kilometers and had a total course of 858 kilometers long. The river flows from the states of Chhattisgarh and Orissa. Mahanadi drainage basin is shared by Maharashtra as well, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Orissa.